I'm starting my journey with the right diagnostic tool, right now. I was born for this, and so was ETHOS Edge. The power of codes, live data, and functional tests. The coverage for more makes, more models, more systems. The convenience of easy-to-use controls and a full-color touchscreen. ETHOS Edge is the affordable diagnostic tool with features far beyond entry level. And the Snap-on family resemblance is more than skin deep, with reliability, speed, training, and support. Any vehicle that shows up in my bay, I'm ready. With full OEM-specific coverage for 49 domestic, Asian, and European makes. All that is included. I'm fast off the line. With automatic vehicle ID, it reads the VIN, so I don't have to. Sometimes you can't be sure which system is the root cause, so I read all available systems with one-touch code scan and clear. With ETHOS Edge, I have the power of bi-directional controls to verify diagnosis and repairs, and relearns and adaptations to finish the job other tools only start. With OEM-specific coverage for over 100 systems, I'm the expert on the newest technologies like TPMS, hybrid power, collision avoidance systems, and much more. And ETHOS Edge quickly saves and recalls previous vehicles and test results, so I'm more efficient. ETHOS Edge is ready to work for me in only 5 seconds and can give diagnostic results in less than 30 seconds. The new steady charge system charges the battery right from the car, so I'm always ready for the next job. The quality, toughness, and slim design just feel right, like it's custom fit for me. This full-color, 5.5-inch screen has clarity and accuracy like I've never seen. Look at this, 8 live data points on screen at once, or any 4 in graphing mode. Zoom in for even more precision. I'm the first in my shop with this exclusive data trigger function. It catches the glitch, and I'm on my way to diagnosing the toughest intermittent problems. I don't wait to borrow the shop's tool. I have the power of Snap-on in my own toolbox. ETHOS Edge automatically powers on when connected to the vehicle. That saves me time and gets me diagnosing more quickly. It's my choice to operate with the touchscreen or the 4-way keypad. ShopStream Connect puts me in charge. I can upgrade my software online anytime I want. ETHOS Edge isn't just a diagnostic tool, it's the next step in my career. With consistent navigation for all platforms, I know that I'll feel right at home when it's time to upgrade to another Snap-on diagnostic tool. Harness the speed, the deep coverage, and the ease of use. I was born for this, and so was ETHOS Edge from Snap-on.